Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Yeah.
Oh, friend, I just had to come on here and show you this one real quick. Look, I'm just trying to get you in the kitchen, okay? And this one easy. A little lemon cheesecake crumble, y'all. Super good. I'm gonna start off with a little brown sugar, babe. Put it up in some melted butter, get some old-fashioned oats, some baking powder, some flour, all that. Look, I'm gonna have this in the description. Oh yeah, you're gonna be able to make this. Man, it's so creamy, y'all. So good. Little crumble on the top, crumble on the bottom. Oh, look at that crust, baby. Just flatten that out in there. Make sure you get you some parchment paper, too, because we ain't trying to have nothing stick. Oh, now for the cheesecake. Okay, y'all. The recipe called for 2 blocks of cream cheese, but all your girl had was 1, so that's all I'm going to use, but it's all good because we're going to make it work. So I'm going to use some lemon juice. Make sure you use lemon zest, too, and that's really in anything you cook that's lemon flavor. Lemon chicken, lemon cake, lemon ice cream. Throw you some lemon zest in there, too. Anyway, I done put this in the oven for about 20 minutes, 15 probably. Y'all, it came out perfect, okay? This crust finna be bomb. This cheesecake finna be bomb. It's so smooth. I'm finna throw this crumble on top. Y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. Y'all better get in that kitchen. Okay, fast forward a little bit. I put this in the oven for 25 minutes, and then I let it cool in the refrigerator for 4 hours. I know that sounds crazy as hell, but just put it in there and go do something else. I made my own little Cool Whip, y'all. It's that heavy whipping cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. That's it. Put it in a blender, use a hand mixer, whatever, but it come out so perfect, so good every time. And I didn't have a piping bag, so I just used a little Ziploc bag and a little piping tool like this. And I'm just praying this come out good. Oh, nothing stuck. Oh, y'all, it came out good. I told y'all I was going to be thin. I only had 1 package of cream cheese, but hey, it's like a little cheesecake tart. I am so excited to eat this bad boy. Look at that thing. Y'all, look at that. Just enough. Super creamy. I'm finna get this whipped cream in this piping bag. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I did all of this. And I really didn't even have to, because the whipped cream started melting on me. And I could have just used a spoon, but hey, this a technique just to show you for any type of piping you want to do and you don't have a piping bag. Maybe just use a Ziploc bag, then put another one on it. You good. And Puff the Magic Dragon stopped by a second ago, so I'm ready to get this plated up and go ahead and eat it, because baby, the munchies are munching in like a mug. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this was too good. Make this recipe in the description. Baby, she in the kitchen and she whipping.